Good morning, everybody. It is about 7:30, and I wanted to prepare a breakfast for you. This is my breakfast this morning. I'm doing a 4-block breakfast, which is normally what I eat, but I'm going to show you also how to convert this into 3. This is simplicity at its finest. So I have the equivalent of about 1.25 cups of cooked spinach, which is 1 block, and I'm going to pour in my 4 eggs already mixed up on top of that, and I'm just going to create, a kind of a hybrid spinach slash scrambled egg omelet situation here. Now I got to keep in mind that I started training clients this morning at 5, so I had to rush home so that my wife could get to work, and I have 2 kids, 3 actually, but 2 that I'm going to be getting off to school here in the next 45 minutes. So I am having to bust out my breakfast, just like we all have to do. We have responsibilities, got to get it done. All right, but this meal is key to me. So this meal means as much to me as my entire day. All right, the breakfast. So I wanted to show you what this is going to compose of. So I know I'm in a rush. I want to make things quickly. So nice scrambled eggs with spinach. And let's get that cooking. And I put just a little bit of minced garlic in here in order to give it a little bit of flavor. I'm not really counting the minced garlic just because the amount was so small that it really doesn't have any caloric value or impact to my meals. So we've got these eggs. I'm going to pair that with half an apple, which is 1 block. That is a teaspoon of sesame seeds, which is my fats, and about 6 carrots, which is my next carb, so that's 2 carbs. I'm going to put a half cup of salsa on top of the eggs, which will give me 3 carbs, and then the spinach mixed with my 4 eggs is going to give me my 4 carbs. All right, so let me recap this here. My excellent cooking and serving skills. All right, so here we have, again, carb 1, carb 2. All right, carb 3 is the spinach. Carb 4 is my salsa, which is going to give it all the flavor. All right, and then I have my fats here in my teaspoon of sesame seeds, which is a 1/4 teaspoon per block. So 4. All right, so if I wanted to make this a 3-block meal, I could either take out the apple, or I could pull out the carrots, or I could divide the apple into a 1/4 and divide my salsa into a 1/4 cup, which would give me one total block on top of that, and obviously remove an egg to give me 3 blocks there. So this is just simplicity. And the thing I wanted to point out here is that each one of these foods came from the first sheet only. So remember, part of the challenge this week, or the next 6 weeks really, is to try to make all your meals off of that first block guide sheet as opposed to the red unfavorable carbs. So excuse me. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Don't forget to plan the meals out, look ahead at your day, make sure you have your snacks packed and ready to rock and roll. All right, we'll talk with you soon. Bye-bye.